and they meet.
We're going to take Erica to recovery now.
There's something that we wanted to tell you. We decided to name the girl baby Erica.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word recovery. It means an act of recovering. Also means the regaining of or possibility of regaining something lost or taken away. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce recovery, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to kuf. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how recovery is used in real life.
We're going to take Erica to recovery now.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.